I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power off the device and remove any case. Do it to avoid snaps and dust. Place the phone on a flat, clean surface with bright light so you see edges clearly. Find a corner where the protector lifts. Use your fingernail or a 0.5 mm plastic pick. Insert gently and pry upward a hair's width. You do this to separate adhesive slowly. Rushing risks cracking the protector or scratching the screen. Once you've created a small gap, stop and prepare to peel. Now peel steadily. Hold the lifted corner and pull the protector back at a low angle, around 10 to 20 degrees, to reduce adhesive stress and prevent tearing. You want a slow, continuous motion. Short, jerky tugs cause shards or residue. If the film tears, work from the nearest edge and lift another corner to re-establish a clean pull. If you hit stubborn adhesive, pause and warm the edge briefly with your breath or a hairdryer on low from 6-8 inches. Warming softens glue and makes removal smoother. Finish by removing the protector fully and checking the surface for residue, dust, or adhesive. You should wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol to dissolve leftover glue, then dry and inspect under bright light. If replacing the protector, make sure no fibers remain before aligning the new film. If a small piece splits off and sticks, don't scrape, warm the area slightly, and use fine-tipped tweezers to lift fragments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.